In this video, we are going to show you how to replace your front sway bar link. Let's get started. Okay friends, it's time to get started on our job. The first thing you need to do is safely raise and support the front of the vehicle so the wheels are off the ground. After you have the wheel up in the air, continue on by removing all 6 of your 21mm lug nuts, and then the wheel. Now that we have the wheel off of there, we have a nice clear view of the sway bar link. Let's move down here to the lower aspect of the sway bar link where it connects onto the lower control arm. We're going to come right inside this area, and to hold the stud, you can use a 19mm wrench. After that, we'll use a 17mm socket to remove the nut. Slide that out of position. The next thing you would want to do is go over and do the exact same thing on the other side of the vehicle. Let's take that sway bar and slide it down as far as it can go. Use your 19mm wrench, hold that stud still, continue removing the inboard nut with your 17mm. There it is, friends. Okay, now it's time to install our brand new front sway bar link. We'll start with the side that goes into the sway bar. Slide it right on through there, and then start on your 18mm nut. Once you have that started into position, continue on by snugging it up, and then we're going to torque that to 62 foot-pounds. Now that we have this side torqued, go over and do the same on the other side of the vehicle. Continue on to the area where your sway bar link connects into the control arm. We'll take the stud and slide it right through the area of the control arm where it belongs. Once you have it in there, continue on by starting on your mounting nut by hand and then snug it up. Once it's snug, torque it to 62 foot-pounds. At this point, you're ready to reinstall your wheel. We'll start on all 6 of our 21mm lug nuts, snug up the lug nuts, get the wheel safely back down on the ground, and then torque each of them to 97 foot-pounds. With the wheels safely back on the ground, we'll torque these in a crisscross manner. Torqued! Okay friend, we installed our front sway bar link. It's always a good idea to replace these as a pair, so do the same on the other side of the vehicle. After that, go ahead and take it for a road test. Make sure you don't hear any funny noises. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.